Everyone, welcome back to my channel Easy English Learning. In today's English class, we are going to do adjectives. Meaning and types of adjectives that we have done. For that you can refer part 1 of the video. Today we are going to do formation of adjectives, that how we can make adjectives from verbs, from nouns, how? By adding few more words in it. So, let's do it. Some adjectives occur independently. For example, a rich man, a yellow flower. Here, rich man. Here, rich in itself is an adjective. We have not added any word in the front of rich or at the back of rich. So it is independent adjective. Rich man. What kind of man? A rich man. A yellow flower. What kind of flower? A yellow flower. Yellow color flower. But some adjectives are derived from other words like nouns, verbs, and other adjectives. Like you can see the examples beauty. Beauty is a noun. But when we have added full at the end of it, it has become beautiful. That is an adjective. Beauty is a noun, while beautiful is an adjective. Then talk. Talk is a verb, while talkative, when we have added tive at the end, so it has become an adjective. Talk is a verb, while talkative is an adjective. Then green. Green is itself in itself is an adjective, but when we have added ish at the end, then it has become a new adjective. That is greenish. So that's how we can make adjectives from nouns, from verbs, from adjectives that are already adjectives, and we can make new adjectives in it by adding few words into it. Then what else we can do? What these words are actually called, what when we add in the front of a word or at the back of the word, at the end of the word, these are called suffix and prefix. Suffix is that we add at the end of the word. That is, like you can see the examples, friend, and we have added suffix ly. That becomes adjective friendly. So, in order to derive adjectives from other words, we have to add suffix to nouns, verbs, or even other adjectives. See the examples below. That you can see in these examples, we have added suffix at the end of the word. Then next word is circle. We have added AR and it becomes an adjective circular. Then the word gold. We have added EN and it becomes an adjective that is golden. Then there is a word coast. When we add AL at the end, then it becomes coastal. Wood, EN, wooden. That's how we have added suffix, and we can make new words from present words, and then we can make adjectives. In the same manner, by adding prefix, we can make new adjectives. Like some negative adjectives can be formed by adding some prefixes to the original adjectives. Prefix are the word that we add in the beginning of the word. Suffix are added at the end of the word, while prefix are added at the beginning of the word. Like satisfied, it's an original adjective. When we added prefix dis, it becomes dissatisfied. That is new adjective. Then possible. Possible, we have added prefix im, and that becomes impossible. That is new adjective. Like happy, we have added un, that becomes unhappy. Then regular, we have added ir, that becomes irregular. Then there is a word legal. When we add il in the front of the word, that it becomes illegal. That's how we can make new adjectives from the words. Then few more things that you have to keep in mind while making new adjectives through participles. Participles are what? Forms of verb. Through participles also, we can make new adjectives. Like words ending on ing and ed or en or t can also function as adjectives when placed before nouns. For example, walking stick, sunken ship, caged bird, burnt clothes. So, These all adjectives like walking, sunken, caged, burnt, they are all telling us the quality. Like what kind of stick? Walking stick. Sunken ship. What kind of ship? That is sinking. Caged bird. What kind of bird? The bird that is in cage. Burnt clothes. What kind of clothes? The clothes that are already burnt. So they are telling us the quality of those things that with which we have used these words. But they are ending in ing, ed, en, or t. They also function as adjectives. Some adjectives they are formed by adding two or more words. Such adjectives therefore are called compound adjectives. For example, green-eyed monster. What kind of monster? The monster having green eyes. So, such words are called compound adjectives, like man-made disaster. What kind of disaster it is? Which human has made, man has made. 12 feet long python. Python is a kind of snake, is a type of snake. So that is what kind of snake it is? 12 feet long. So these are all called compound adjectives. That some such adjectives that are formed by adding two or more words, such adjectives therefore are called compound adjectives. That's how we can make new adjectives. Then we can use nouns also as adjectives. Sometimes we use a noun or a string of nouns to describe another noun. In that case, the first noun or set of nouns they act as an adjective. Like football match. Match is also noun, football is also noun. But here, what kind of match? Which match we are talking about? Football match. That is why this noun it acts as an adjective. Then guest house. House is an adjective, guest is an house is noun, guest is noun. So guest house, what kind of house we are talking about? It's a guest house. Then horsepower. Both are nouns, but here horse it is a noun that acts as an adjective. That what kind of power? Horsepower. So that's how sometimes noun in a sentence they act as adjectives when we use string of nouns to describe another noun. So they act as an adjective. When noun is adjective, they always comes first. You have to keep such things in mind. That what kind of things we have to keep in mind while noun is used as an adjective. That noun as adjective, it always comes first. For example, the goalkeeper hit the referee with a hockey stick. Hockey is a noun, stick is a noun. But here we are talking about a stick that is used to play hockey with. So hockey is acting as an adjective. So it is coming first. So that's why it is an adjective. No doubt it is a noun, but it is acting as an adjective. Okay, the goalkeeper hit the referee with a hockey stick. Then the noun as adjective is usually singular. For example, have you ever participated in boat race? This thing also you have to keep in mind that noun when we use it as an adjective it is always singular. Like no boats race or boats races, no, we cannot use like this. Have you ever participated in boat race? Simply like this, not boats race or boats races. That would be wrong. Like clothes showroom, sports department, account section, arms race, something like that. Here noun that is used as an adjective is always singular. Then more than one noun can be used as an adjective. When we are using more than one noun, we can use it as an adjective like captain. Here these all are nouns, but England cricket team they are acting as noun as adjective. Captain is noun. What kind of captain we are talking about? The captain of Indian cricket team. What kind of team? Cricket team. Which captain? Indian captain. So Indian cricket team they are noun acting as adjectives. So and captain here is noun. So these nouns they are telling us more about this particular noun that is captain. So their string of nouns are used, and these nouns are acting as adjectives. One more thing you can keep in mind, like newspapers often use many nouns together in headlines to save space, like Earthquake Prediction Research Center Director Office. Here, they could have also used the office of the director of the research center that predicts earthquakes, but that would be very long. So, what they do to save space, they just use Earthquake Prediction Research Center Director Office. That's how that is one thing. So, this was all about today's class. You can go through this video and you can know that how we can form adjectives by adding prefix and suffix into it, how some nouns are also used as adjectives, how when we use string of nouns they can act as an adjective, how by adding past and present participle we can make new adjectives. So go through this video, and if you have any doubt you can write in the comment section or you can ask me. Thank you so much.